Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, I am going to share a very beautiful, classic, and amazing design collection of waterline embroidery designs. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, have a subscribe, watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe. And while subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. And guys, one more thing, subscribers are very important. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of many other devices so that we can grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Guys, I have one request to you that please make a habit of leaving comments in the comment section because with your comments we will get to know that what you feel about our content, what you want us to share with you in our new and recent upcoming videos, and what you like about our content. And in the comment section, comment below that which design of woodland embroidery you like the most. So guys, now let's move back towards our main content, which is which type of embroidery patterns are these? So the answer to this question is there is a hybrid approach of today's video collection. So ranging from minimal, easy and simple beginner style borderline embroidery designs to moving towards traditional artist style and embroidery borders for embroidery artists or embroidery professionals. In order to make them look more formal and more fancy, you can make use of beads, pearls, and sequins as well. Some simple and easy beginner-friendly hand embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, stem stitch, ply stitch, chain stitch, satin stitch have been used. Some sort of twisted knot stitches have been used to make the 3D look of flowers. Different color combination of threads give a more colorful, trendy, and beautiful look for achieving maximum type of decency in the designs and exactly closer to the designs being shown onto your screens. I would recommend you to use the exact color combination of threads and the exact combination of fabric base as well. So all of these borderline embroidery could be made onto your dresses to give you a very beautiful neckline in a hemline pattern, front borders, sleeves borders, baby girl dresses, frocks. Even you can embroider this pattern onto your denim fabrics like jackets, pants. Some short and quicker overview of the more embroidery pattern designs. I hope that you are liking the ideas. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.